Alright, this is a temporary faucet sink repair. I woke up today and my wife says, I broke the faucet off, so I didn't know what she was talking about. She literally broke the stem out of the sink right here. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how I fixed this. So the stem was completely out. The stem was dangling right here. I've got all the little metal shards out and I sanded it with sandpaper. This part right here and this part right here. I sanded with sandpaper. This is stuff I always have at the house for little problems like this. Now this is Blue Monster. This is the best Teflon tape you're ever going to use. I believe this is the best Teflon tape. So I wrapped the pipe that goes inside of here. I wrapped it really good with blue Teflon tape. There was a lot of room in here, so I wrapped enough Teflon tape that I had to kind of jam it in there, okay? And then after I put the blue Teflon tape, there was some sticking up on the pole outside of here. So I used a razor blade and I went around here, up and down. So I cut that the pipe thread Teflon tape is inside of here. It's inside of here, and on the outside of here, it's bare pipe, okay? Then from there, this is for potable water, drinkable water. This is Water Weld JB Weld epoxy. You should always have some of this in your house. This stuff you should always have at your house anyways. If you're a guy, you should always have this at your house. You mix this epoxy, and this is a waterproof epoxy. Now this epoxy is only on the pipe on the outside. On the inside, we have the Blue Monster pipe thread. You let this dry for 1 hour, and when you turn on your water, there's no leaks.